Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to some 7-period trimester models. All of the models you're about to see have the following 3 features. No change to the trimester calendar, no change to athletic practice times, and EBI can be incorporated into each model. The first model needs no introduction. That's because it's the 2017-2018 schedule that you are living in right now. Friday freeze is when juniors would have EBI, and red dots is where lowers would have EBI. Last spring, the faculty took a survey, and the following 2 priorities emerged as the top priorities: a later start time and fewer transitions or homework preps per day. One might ask the question, could we keep the general structure of the 2017-28 schedule but start later? Here's one way to do that. You could start at 8:30 if you had 40-minute periods on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. In this particular version, lunch would occur periods 3, 4, or 5, so each student would be scheduled to one of those 3 periods. You can see on Thursdays, in order to have periods 3, 4, and 5 at a reasonable time for lunch, you would alternate ASM and department meeting at the end of the day on Thursday. One might ask, could we repeat the Wednesday and Thursday in the 2017-2018 schedule twice during the week to achieve a later start time and fewer transitions or homework preps? Here's one way to do it. You could have periods 3 through 6 meet on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and periods 1, 2, and 7 meet on Wednesdays and Fridays. So the lunch periods would be 3, 4, and 5, and therefore no student would have more than 3 classes on Tuesday through Friday. Since you can end later on a Friday, there's room to build in advising block and alternate biweekly department meeting and ASM. If you come over here to Monday, this version shows 40-minute periods. The faculty could decide to keep 45-minute periods and start earlier like we do currently on Mondays. The other thing to note, the common lunch block on Tuesday and Thursday, there's some concern that it'll get very crowded at the beginning at around 11 a.m. on Tuesday and Thursday, but remember that a third of the students will have lunch period 4 and another third period 5, so we could encourage students to either come before the beginning of that lunch break, try to get in line and get through the line, or to delay a little bit and show up afterwards. The other thing, on Fridays, the advising period, kids who are advised in the dorm and don't meet during that period can go to lunch right away, and kids who do meet during that period would come later, so there's a natural divide in the students, and hopefully that'll decrease the pressure at the beginning of the lunch break. So that's it for this video. You are encouraged to read the author's notes on the Canvas page for more detailed information about each model, such as short week schedules, placement of EBI, and so on. So thanks for watching.